Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to do some photo overlays. It's a real quick, simple thing to do. So you're going to need some photos either of your own that you've got on the computer or just do a Google search for some. I've downloaded some here that are just beach scenes in Vancouver and oil spills. So I'm going to see what it would look like to overlay that. So once you've got Photoshop opened, you're going to want to go up to File and choose Open. And then locate wherever you've saved your photo, whether it's on your desktop or in a folder. So your search will be slightly different than mine just because I am on a Mac. And I previously saved these photos for this tutorial. Should have kept them on my desktop though. Alright, so I'm going to choose one of these photos. I might try to see what this one here is. So I'm basically for this one I'm trying to overlay a beach scene with a toxic or poisonous situation that could potentially happen. So being that LNG is the big topic right now, I'm going to start with that one. So I'm going to start opening up. I'm going to go to File and Open again, and I'm going to open up more of these photos because I don't know if I want to use that one or maybe a beach scene, but we'll see. You'll notice as I open them, they're opening up on different tabs at the top. That is okay. And then I might choose that one to overlay. We'll see. Can also try one of those. Can't hurt to open up all the ones you've got just to play around with them. Okay. So now what I want to do, I need to move one of these photos to be placed over top of another one. So let's say I want to take this photo and see what that might look like over top of this one. So since I want to move this photo, I've got to click on the Move tool, which is that top arrow. And I'm going to click on the photo and I'm just going to drag up until I reach that tab, come back over top and let go. Now right now it's not covering the entire photo, so I need to transform that. So you'll need to press Control T to transform. Once you do that, you'll notice you'll be able to go onto an arrow and drag it and change the size of it. So I'm going to cover up the whole canvas. Now I can't click on anything else until I apply that transformation. So if you try to do anything, it won't let you. So you need to apply this transformation or just press enter once you've resized it. Now you can see both photos over here. It's completely covering it up because my opacity is 100%, meaning it's not transparent. So if I bring this down and I can play with that slider, you can see both photos now showing through. So how dark or how light you make it is also going to change the look of your photo. So seeing as I have some other photos opened here, we could also maybe take a look at a beach scene and maybe overlay what would happen if that beach were destroyed. So maybe I'm going to see what this one would look like to start. So again, you need to be on the Move tool, and I'm going to just click on the photo, drag it up over the tab that I want, drop it on, and then release. That one already covers my canvas, so just remember to press enter. Actually, I don't need to press enter to place it because we didn't transform it. Although maybe I will resize it. So Control T if you want to make sure that you get all of the photo on there. Might need to scroll down a little bit, or zoom out I should say. Let's just zoom out. I'm just changing the zoom at the bottom here, just so I can see all those edges. And then I can press enter to place it, and I'm just going to zoom back in again. Alright, so I'm going to click on the opacity and try my slider to see how light and dark it looks. It's okay. So if I don't like that, I might want to just hide that layer for now. I don't need to delete it, so I don't need to bring it back. But I might try this one instead. So I'm going to just make sure I'm on the move tool. Yep. I'm going to go over top of that beach scene. Let it go. Control T to transform it. And place that one and see what that one looks like instead. Yeah, I like that one better. So we go back to the original one, which is this one. It's a little harder to see what's happening, but here we can definitely tell what the purpose is. So that's how you do a simple overlay.